Alright, let's just get this out of the way and let me show you my favorite thing about this mic. So right now, you can probably hear all the background noise. I'm going to go ahead and stop talking. Just listen. You can probably hear my computers next to me. You can probably hear my laundry going in the background. But check this out. Let me press this one little button. And all that noise is gone. You can kind of hear it when I'm talking, but not really. So for under $70, what do you think? What's going on, guys? Welcome to the RA Visuals YouTube channel, where you'll always find high quality visuals and high quality tech. And today's high quality tech we're going to talk about is the Tonor ORCA001 cardioid microphone. Now, this is a very inexpensive microphone with a lot of really cool features packed on it. And if you're somebody who actually is in the market for something like this and enjoys the way that my voice sounds right now, well, surprise, because I'm talking on the microphone right now. So if you think this sounds good, stick around because we're going to go way deeper into what this microphone can offer you.
VIP URCD Key has you covered with fully licensed codes to activate your favorite games and software. Purchasing your key is super easy. All you have to do is click on the item that you want, click buy to add it to your cart. Once in your cart, you can now enter my promo code RAV20. After adding the promo code, you'll see your savings pop up, and you can then purchase your product with your chosen payment method. Finding and entering your Windows 10 CD key is super easy. All you have to do is go over to your user profile, find your purchase, and click View Keys and Codes to reveal your new CD key. Then all you have to do is go to Settings in Windows, click on Update and Security, click on Activation, and finally click on Change Product Key and paste your new key into the window and click Next. You'll now have a fully licensed version of Windows 10 with no watermark. Check the links in the description to start saving now.
Starting off, as always, with the unboxing of the microphone, you of course get your manual. That's very simple and has the steps to set it up and even set it up onto a boom arm if you'd like. And then of course you also get your connecting cable, which is a USB-C to a USB-C if your device takes that, or a USB-C to USB-A, which I will be using with my configuration today. Also in the box is a thread adapter so you can actually put this thing on a boom arm, which I will show you in the video a little bit later. And then of course you have the Tonor ORCA001 mic itself, which features a fully metal base, and the mic itself is actually made of full metal, but has just a plastic shock mount and some plastic buttons on it. But we'll get deeper into the build quality and everything later on, but I just wanted to quickly show you what it looks like right out of the box. The Tonor ORCA is compatible with your PC, Mac, Android, or PS4 and 5 devices with a simple plug and play, and I can attest it's super easy. You basically just plug it in and it's ready to go. This microphone also features zero latency monitoring, so it has a 3.5mm headphone jack on the bottom, and you can listen to anything you record in real time without any echo, so you can actually control your recording and see how it sounds in real time. The mic comes with an adjustable stand, so it allows you to rotate it 90 degrees backwards and kind of get it where you want it. Unfortunately, the stand is metal, but the actual hinge that you move is plastic. So you're going to want to be careful with this unless you're going to go ahead and take it off and put on a boom arm, which is what I probably would do anyway. One other thing that is made of plastic on this microphone is the shock mount that's on it. The entire microphone itself and the bottom of the stand, like I said, are all metal, but then the shock mount that holds it in is all plastic. So if you're expecting everything to be full metal, it's not, unfortunately. But either way, it still feels pretty solid and it doesn't feel like it's going to break or anything. This microphone does feature RGB lighting, but it basically is just used as the onboard audio control. So the RGB lights are just indicators to allow you to see what the volume level is at. So unfortunately, if you're trying to match it to your setup, you're not going to be able to do that like some other microphones. And then of course, the noise cancellation button lights up orange when you turn it on, and then the light goes off when you turn it off. Okay guys, so I have the mic set up. It was super easy. All you got to do, like I said, was plug in the USB to the mic, plug the USB into your device, your computer, whatever, and it's ready to go. So obviously right now, I'm just going to go ahead and test the stock configuration before we get into other stuff, because some of you may not have a boom arm, some of you may have to use it like this. I'm kind of trying to let you guys know how this sounds right here. So this is without the sound canceling or anything like that. So obviously it's not as close to my mouth, so I'm going to have to turn the volume up, and that introduces a lot more background noise. So as you can hear, you can probably hear my computers next to me, and you'll probably be able to hear a lot of my laundry going in the background too in the laundry room next to me. So yeah, but then if I go ahead and turn on the sound canceling, all that goes away. And you can still clearly hear me when I'm talking. So really cool feature of this microphone. And this alone may be a selling point for a lot of you. Like you saw in the intro, because honestly, it's pretty awesome. The whole thing is you're going to want to be closer to the mic right here, so your audio sounds a little bit better. And obviously you can hear as soon as I get closer to the mic, it's a lot more clear, a lot more crisp, and you know, my words sound a lot better. That sounded stupid. Anyway, and then you can actually turn the volume down, so less background noise will even get into the mic as you do that. So you can actually kind of turn it all the way down. You can talk right next to it like this. So this is why using a boom arm is pretty ideal. All right, but before we go ahead and get into the boom arm and, you know, doing that whole deal, I'm just gonna hold it up to my mouth right here, because look, you can see like the ideal thing, about 6 inches away. This is kind of where you should be with this microphone as far as my levels right now. But because you have to be so close, I want to test plosives. And I'll do it first with the sound canceling off, then I'll do it with the sound canceling on. I'm using it right now as I'm talking, but here, let me turn it off. You guys can definitely notice the difference. So here, let's test a couple plosives. Like, you can definitely hear it popping right there, and it definitely it peaks the mic. And then yeah, plosives, you may need a pop filter for this. So this is one of the kits from Tonor that doesn't come with a pop filter, unfortunately, but you may want to grab one. So let's go ahead and do it with the noise canceling on. Okay, so here you would expect maybe it does a little bit better because it cancels the noise. Let's go ahead and try it. Nope. Still definitely peaking the mic and definitely popping it. So let me go ahead and do the T's. Yeah, I mean, that's a worst case scenario, obviously. And when I'm normally talking, it doesn't get it so bad. But even when I say S's, it's still a little bit sharp, if you guys can kind of tell what I'm talking about. But either way, you guys may want to just pick up a cheap pop filter for it. And don't worry, I'm not going to leave you guys hanging. So I'm going to go ahead and show you this real quick. It's super easy. So one of these really inexpensive pop filters right here. You can get these on Amazon. This is not made for this microphone, just so you guys know. This is actually made for my Rode Pod mic over here. So it doesn't fit perfectly, but something just like this, just listen to the difference here. So this noise canceling is on. Let me go ahead and do it plosive again. Hear how it really peaks the mic right there? You can definitely hear it. Watch this. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna really try to peak it. So much better. There you go. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can grab one of these. This does not fit the it's way too big for it. There may be a different size out there somewhere, but either way, this works and it makes it sound so much better. Alright, so now we're going to go ahead and unscrew the mic from its base, and then we're going to go ahead and put the adapter on it and get it on one of everyone's favorite boom arms that is out there. It's Tonor's own T30 boom arm. So the T20 and the T30 are super popular on my channel, and you guys seem to really love them, so I decided to use Tonor's own boom arm for this, but the ORCA fits on there just fine. Even though it looks a little small, either way, doesn't matter, it's going to work just fine. So let's go ahead and see what it sounds like and how we can position it with it on the boom arm now. Okay guys, so now that I have it on the boom arm, you can see that I got full adjustability here of kind of putting it where I need to around the desk. So again, I highly suggest you guys do this, especially with this microphone. Being as the stand it comes with, you know, only it kind of limits you to where you can put it. That's why I was kind of holding it up to my mouth the entire time. But either way, now let's go ahead and test. I just did it right there. Let's see if I bump this. Yeah, it definitely picks it up. So you got to be careful about that. You got to be careful about bumping everything and whatnot, because it doesn't really take it completely away. But either way, now my hands are free. I got this, so now I can actually show you what it sounds like when I type on a keyboard. So the noise cancellation is on. I've been leaving it on for most of this, unless I tell you it's not on. Let me go ahead and really quick just do a typing test. All right, so that was with a very clicky keyboard. So I have another one over here is a lot more quiet. This has Gator on black inks in it, so these are a little more smooth. So let me go ahead and show you that. One last really fun thing I wanted to do real quick, guys, was test it with a guitar. I know it's not made for this at all, but I just wanted to try it anyway. So let's see what it sounds like. And honestly, if you guys are musicians and whatnot, don't knock my placement of where the mic goes. I'm just putting it close to where the hole is right now. That's kind of what I'm going with. If it's supposed to be somewhere different, I'm sorry. But anyway, Let me just play a little tune for you. Tell me what you think down in the comments. Love you. Okay guys, so that's really going to be it for this one. I think I've pretty much exhausted all the different tests that I could possibly do, including testing a guitar, which it's not even made to do that, but I thought you guys would think that would be funny if I did it anyway. So tell me what you guys think of this microphone, and like the price to performance aspect, pretty freaking cheap, and I think for that price you're getting some great performance and some cool features for not a lot of money. So let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, and let me know if you guys agree with me, and you know, let me know what you guys think this sounds like, if it sounds like crap or if you guys think it actually sounds really good for the money. But also, if you guys enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, go ahead and give me a like. I always appreciate seeing that. And then if you enjoy my content and you want to see more stuff like this, because I got plenty more coming in the future, get subscribed with those notifications on, so that way you'll always know when a new video or a stream is going to go out. Also, if you guys are wondering this entire time why I'm missing a tooth, yeah, I usually have a fake tooth there, but I lost it. I went swimming, and yeah, you guys can guess the rest. I spit it out, and it's gone now. Anyway, I'm trying to get it replaced, but yeah, for now, no tooth. I'm going to be a pirate again for a little bit. But anyway, I'm going to go ahead and get out of here. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'll catch you next time.